Learn English easily. The brave heart of Liam. Liam lived in a small, warm house with his mother, who was always kind and loving, and his little sister, Lena, who was about 6 years old. Their house wasn't big or fancy, but it was filled with love and laughter. Liam and Lena would play games together, and their mother would cook delicious meals, even if they were simple. They didn't have a lot of things, like new toys, but they were happy because they had each other. Everything was peaceful until one day, something unexpected happened. Liam's mother, who was usually so full of energy and smiles, started to feel very sick. She would cough a lot and couldn't get out of bed. Liam and Lena were worried, but didn't know what to do. Liam knew that his mother needed medicine to get better, but there was a big problem. They didn't have any money to buy the medicine. This made Liam feel very worried and scared. He was just a young boy and didn't know how to handle such a big problem. He felt a heavy weight on his shoulders because he wanted to help his mother, but didn't know how. At night, Liam would lie in his bed, thinking hard about what he could do. He wanted to be strong for his mother and Lena, but inside, he felt fear and confusion. He knew he had to find a way to help his mother get better, but the question was how. This was the start of a big challenge for young Liam, a challenge he never expected to face at such a young age. Despite feeling scared and unsure, Liam made up his mind to be brave. He knew he had to do something to help his mother, so he decided to look for ways to earn some money. He thought, even though I'm just a kid, I can still do small jobs to help my family. Every morning, Liam would step out into the village. The main area of the village was a little busy place with lots of different shops and people. Liam went to the market first. The market was full of colorful fruits and vegetables, and people were buying and selling things. He offered to help the shopkeepers. He did simple tasks, like carrying bags for the shoppers, arranging fruits on the stalls, and cleaning up. The shopkeepers were kind and gave him some money for his help. After helping at the market, Liam would go to other places in the village. He found a job washing cars. He would use a big sponge and soapy water to make the cars clean and shiny. The car owners were happy with his work and gave him some money. Liam also helped in the gardens of some houses in the village. He would pull out weeds, water the plants, and do his best to make the gardens look nice. Gardening was hard work, but Liam didn't mind. He liked being outside and learning about different plants. Even though he was tired, after a long day of work, Liam always came home with a smile for his sister, Lena. He didn't want her to worry. He would play with her, tell her stories, and make her laugh. It was important to Liam that Lena felt happy and safe, even though things were tough. Liam worked like this every day. His hands got rough from all the work, and he was often tired, but he didn't give up. He kept thinking about his mother getting better, and this gave him the strength to keep going. Liam's bravery and hard work showed that even when things are difficult, One can always find a way to make them better. One sunny day, Liam was in the center of the village, near a cozy little shop, filled with books. This shop was owned by Mr. Jacobs, a gentle and friendly man, who was known for his kindness in the village. Mr. Jacobs had a warm smile and always wore glasses. That made him look wise. Liam was helping to clean the sidewalk in front of the bookstore when Mr. Jacobs came outside. He noticed Liam working very hard. Mr. Jacobs had seen Liam around the village doing different jobs, and he was impressed by the young boy's determination and hard work. Curious and concerned, Mr. Jacobs approached Liam and started a conversation. He asked Liam about his work and why he was working so hard at such a young age. Liam, a bit shy at first, opened up and shared his story about his mother's illness and his efforts to earn money for her medicine. Mr. Jacobs listened with a kind heart. He felt moved by Liam's story and wanted to help. So he came up with an idea. He offered Liam a job at his bookstore. Mr. Jacobs explained that Liam could help organize the books, clean the shop, and even learn to handle the cash register. The job at the bookstore would pay more than the small jobs Liam was doing around the village. Liam's eyes lit up with hope. Working in the bookstore seemed like a wonderful opportunity. Not only would he earn more money to help his mother, but he would also be in a place full of interesting books. Liam loved stories, and the thought of being surrounded by books every day made him very happy. He thanked Mr. Jacobs with a big smile and agreed to start working at the bookstore. This new job was a big step for Liam. It meant he could help his mother more, and it also opened a new world of learning and adventure among the books. Liam felt grateful for Mr. Jacobs' kindness and was excited to start this new chapter in his life. Liam was earning more money than before, and this was a huge help for his family. With the extra money, Liam could finally buy the medicine that his mother needed to get better. He felt a sense of relief and happiness, knowing he was able to help his mother in such an important way. Every day, after finishing his work at the bookstore, Liam would bring home the medicine. He watched as his mother took it, hoping and praying for her to recover. Gradually, his mother started to feel better. She coughed less, had more energy, and could even sit up in bed. Liam's heart filled with joy every time he saw his mother's health improving. As the days turned into weeks, Liam's mother continued to get better. Eventually, she fully recovered. She could cook, laugh, and play with Liam and Lena again, just like before she was ill. Liam felt like his world was bright and happy again.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.